Next, in economic importance of algae, we will study the positive economic importance of algae and negative economic importance of algae. Because last time we will already studied the number of algal plants maybe grows in the natural conditions. Some of the algal plants may be faster growth in that natural conditions. And these algal plants generally harmful effects on the other plants or other living organisms. But when these algal plants are grows under the controlled conditions, then these algal plants are very important beneficial effects on other living organisms, plants as well as human beings, etc. The first we will observe that here, when we will study the economic importance of algae, the first studied the positive economic importance of algae. पॉझिटिव्ह इकॉनॉमिक इम्पॉर्टन्स मध्ये का आपण स्टडी करायचं आहे, algae आपल्याला फायद्याची का आहे, का महत्त्वाचं इम्पॉर्टन्स, बेनिफिशियल इम्पॉर्टन्स ऑफ these algal plants. We'll study first this positive economic importance. The number of algal plants may be used for this supplement food of the human diets. Why? Because in that algal plant, the nutritional value of these algal plants is always more than the other foods. These algal, due to these nutritional values, the number of algal plants may be used in the preparation of these food as well as industrial products. The next economic importance, the algae may be used in the preparation of food. Why these algal plants are used in the preparation of food? Due to content of these nutritional value. The first one we will study, the porphyra is actually the natural red colored algal plant. This porphyra may be contain high amount of carbohydrate, proteins as well as vitamin A and B. Due to content of these proteins, carbohydrates and vitamins, they may be used in food preparation in different countries as Japan, China, USA, etc. Rather than this porphyra, the other algal plants, not that this is the algal plant, the kobu. Actually, kobu is the marketing food, and this marketing food may be prepared from some marine algal plant, marine brown colored algal plant, and these algal plants may be rich the carbohydrate, proteins and vitamins. Hence, they may be used in the preparation of ice cream, preparation of these some chemicals as well as some drugs. In this way, this kobu food may be prepared by the laminarian algal plants. कोबू हे कशापासून तयार केलं जातं, तर समुद्रामध्ये लॅमिनारिया नावाचे एक अल्गल प्लांट असतं आणि त्या अल्गल प्लांटमध्ये जास्त प्रमाणात कार्बोहायड्रेट, प्रोटीन, व्हिटॅमिन्स असतं. म्हणून ते अल्गल प्लांट आपण ते रेड अल्गल प्लांट लॅमिनारिया may be used for this preparation of food. The next is gelatinous carbohydrate. The some algal plant may be used for the extraction of a gelatinous carbohydrate. This gelatinous carbohydrate may be extracted from this chondrous algal plant, and gelatinous carbohydrate actually used in the preparation of a different foods as well as a space like fruits etc. or other different in China, Japan, the number of algal foods may be prepared. In that preparation of a food, these gelatinous carbohydrate may be used. The next one, the chlorella is an algal plant. This chlorella is rich the carbohydrate, protein and vitamins. Hence, this chlorella used in the preparation of space flight foods. Very important characteristic features of this chlorella. Chlorella contains the high amount of the carbohydrate, lipids as well as the proteins. Hence, due to presence of this carbohydrate and protein, the specialized foods may be prepared from this chlorella species. Rather than this chlorella, the codium and ulva is another green marine algal plants. They may be vigorously grows on the seashore. This codium and vulva may be used in the preparation of the salads in Japan and France. France आणि जपानमध्ये कोडियम आणि vulva नावाच्या ग्रीन अल्गल प्लांट्स आहेत. त्या मराईन वॉटरमध्ये किंवा समुद्रामध्ये वाढणाऱ्या अल्गल प्लांट्स आहेत. त्या अल्गल प्लांट्स डायरेक्टली सॅलेड त्याच्यापासून तयार केलं जातं फूड आणि त्याचा वापर केला जातो. इन दिस वे the numerous number of algal plant may be used in the preparation of foods. Hence, in the first criteria, we will study algae may be used as a food. Then second one, rather than this food, the algae may be used in an industrial product. The number of industrial product may be prepared by different industries, and these industrial products may be commercially important for the human beings. In that industrial product, we will study the agar-agar. Agar-agar is actually prepared from the Xylidium and Gracilaria species. This Xylidium and Gracilaria species mostly growing in the marine water. From these species, agar-agar may be extracted, and this agar-agar utilized in preparation of ice creams as well as preparation of these culture media, etc. This culture media in our laboratory we prepare the PDA, potato, dextrose, agar. The role of agar is solidification. The potato and in dextrose the contain the carbohydrate, the source of carbon from potato and the dextrose, and the solidification role may be played by the agar and agar. Hence, the preparation of this culture media use the agar and agar. This agar and agar may be extracted from the Xylidium and Gracilaria species. This semi-synthetic or not a natural culture media, semi-natural culture media, and this culture media may be used in our laboratory for the culture of different microscopic organisms as like mucor, aspergillus, etc. Due to this for this preparation of this culture media, the agar-agar may be used. Rather than this agar-agar, the another industrial product, that is the carrageenan. This carrageenan may be used from the cell wall of a number of algal plants, that is the laminaria and fucus. And this carrageenan may be used in alcohol and sugar industries as a clearing reagent. That is, the carrageenan play an important role in sugar and alcohol industry for this clearing reagent. Hence, the carrageenan is a industrial product. The some algal plant may be utilized for this preparation of carrageenan. The next important industrial product, that is the alginate. The alginate is nothing but the salt of alginic acid. This alginic acid is also extracted from the cell wall of the number of marine algal plants. And this alginate actually utilized as a thickener of printing ink, as well as they may be used in preparation of different types of chemicals, as well as drug preparation, as well as the preparation of ice cream, etc. They may be used the alginates. Rather than this alginate, the next industrial product is diatomite. Actually, diatomite is a fossil of the cell wall of the diatoms. Diatoms are a unicellular microscopic algal plant. They may be grows in marine water. The tremendous or large amount of this unicellular algal plant may be observed at the bottom of these seas, and these algal plant may be fossilized and converted into diatomites, and this diatomite is play an important role in different industries. Actually, diatomite is insoluble chemically, and they may be utilized in oil and petrochemical industries. पेट्रोल इंडस्ट्रीज मध्ये किंवा ऑइल इंडस्ट्रीज मध्ये या डायटोमाइटचा फार उपयोग करून घेतला जातो. Rather than these diatomites, the next important, the high content of mineral in some algal plants, the brown algal plants as well as in some red algal plants which are growing in marine water conditions. These algal plants may be contain the high amount of mineral elements such as nitrogen, potassium, iodine, iron, etc. And these, due to high amount of mineral nutrients, they may be utilized in preparation of drugs as well as in a cosmetic industries. Cosmetic industry मध्ये सुद्धा याचा उपयोग केला जातो. And next one, the algae may be utilized as algae used as a biofertilizer. The some algal plants, for example, nostoc species. This nostoc species may be shows the various inhabitant. They may be grow terrestrial in nature. Terrestrial habitats म्हणजे जमिनीवरती. They well grows in a moisturized soil in a rainy season or in a rice field. This nostoc plant. In this nostoc plant body, the specialized cells are developed is called as the heterocyst, and this heterocyst play an important role in nitrogen fixation. Due to nitrogen fixation, the nitrate compounds may be rich in that soil and increase the fertility of soil. Hence, the some algal plant may be used as a biofertilizer. The next important character, the some algal plant may be utilized as in the preparation of the antibiotic or the chlorelin. The chlorelin is antibiotic may be extracted from the algal plant chlorella. This chlorelin play an important role in the growth of the some harmful bacteria. काही हार्मफुल बॅक्टेरिया असतात, त्या हार्मफुल बॅक्टेरिया मारण्यासाठी त्या क्लोरिलिनचा उपयोग केला जातो. आणि क्लोरिलिन कुणापासून एक्सट्रॅक्ट केलेला आहे तर क्लोरेला ह्या अल्गल प्लांट पासून. म्हणून क्लोरेला इज इम्पॉर्टंट. रादर दॅन दिस, द सम इन्सेक्टिसाइडल species, for example Cara species. This Cara is a green algal plant. This green algal plant having the larvicidal in property or insecticidal in property. Where the Cara species are growing, there may be hazardous effect or poisonous effect on the insect, and totally insect may be killed by these Cara species. Hence, this chara may be used in a different purposes or as insecticides or fungicides, etc. Then rather than these, some algal plants may be contain the high amount of iodine content. Due to high amount of iodine, they may be used in preparation of important drugs as the white treatment. मेंढरांना वेगवेगळ्या ट्रीटमेंट देण्यासाठी सुद्धा काही अल्गल प्लांटचा यूज केला जातो का तर त्या अल्गल प्लांटमध्ये कशाचं कंटेंट जास्त आहे आयोडीनचं कंटेंट जास्त आहे म्हणून त्या अल्गल प्लांट तर these are the positive economic importance of algae 7-8 फक्त त्याचे पॉझिटिव्ह इकॉनॉमिक इम्पॉर्टन्स आहे त्याच पद्धतीनं some algal plants are harmful to the human beings directly or indirectly. The first way we will study that in that harmful effects is nothing but the negative economic importance. In that negative economic importance we will study the largest amount of planktonic unicellular algal plant maybe grows on the surface of the water. Due to their tremendous growth on the surface of water, actually the oxygen percentage in water may be decreased, and due to decrease in oxygen percentage the another useful or another bacteria may be decrease impact the habitats of these bacteria. Hence the some algal plants are negatively economic importance rather than these the large amount of algal plants may be grows in a filter pumps. We check the filter pumps and decrease the efficiency of absorption of water. पाणी खेचून घेण्याची क्षमता पंपची कमी करण्याचं काम कोण करत असतं काही अल्गल प्लांट करत असतात त्या पंपाच्या जवळ अनेक अल्गल प्लांट ग्रोथ शेवाळ असतात शेवाळ पूर्ण असं साचलेलं असतं त्यामुळे पाणी त्या पंपामधून